Hello, AFramers. We're going to walk you through integrating ShowingTime with your AFrame account. This integration allows any showings or feedback created in ShowingTime to automatically sync with your AFrame transactions under the Notes and Activities tab. Let's take a look at how this works. From the dashboard, I'm selecting a listing and navigating to the Notes and Activities tab. Here, you'll see that the top 3 entries are all showings imported from ShowingTime. Each entry includes agent and company details, emails, phone numbers, the date and time of the showing, and even any feedback provided. If feedback hasn't been submitted, you can manually add it. You also have the option to edit or overwrite existing feedback as needed. Now, let's set up the integration. Click your name in the upper right corner of AFrame, then select My Profile. From there, go to Integrations and find the Showing Import section. You'll see a unique email address for ShowingTime. Click Copy to Clipboard. Next, log into ShowingTime and navigate to the Edit Profile section. In the email field, add a comma after your business email, then paste the copied email address without any spaces. If spaces are added, ShowingTime may give you an error when saving. Once entered correctly, save your changes. There are 2 additional steps to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, for each listing in your ShowingTime account, you need to enable email notifications. Open a listing, locate the email notifications checkbox, and ensure it's checked for your contact record. This allows ShowingTime to send updates to both you and AFrame whenever a showing is scheduled or feedback is received. The second step is making sure the MLS ID is entered correctly for each transaction in AFrame. This is how AFrame matches imported showings to the correct transaction. If the MLS ID is missing or incorrect, AFrame will send you an email notification. In most cases, errors occur due to an incorrectly entered MLS ID, so double-check that it's accurate. And that's it. Your ShowingTime integration is now set up. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@aframesoftware.com or directly in AFrame under the Help icon.